Horizons Card Catalog. In other words, how to find the book you want. From ePassport, find library links in the bottom right, and then find the Horizons tile to get to the card catalog. The first page shows an area for searching general keywords and Lexiles, and if you click the Search tab at the top of the screen, you'll see that you're able to search for even more keywords like titles, Lexiles, authors, series, and subjects. We'll start with the home page for now. Let's imagine that we're looking for a book about pets. That sounds like a good general keyword to use. You can type the keyword you're looking for. These search results show us all the books in our media center that have to do with pets. As you scroll down, you can see lots of options, and when you look at the status section, you can see if a book is checked in, which means it's in the library, checked out, which means another student has it, or maybe it's even missing or lost because someone didn't return it. This link right here tells us that the book 8 Class Pets Plus 1 Squirrel is available as an ebook. That means you could read it on a tablet or a computer. When you find a book you think you're interested in finding, check to see if it's checked in. When you see it's checked in, then look for the call number. This call number is a number. That means I can find this book in the nonfiction section. It's a book of facts about cats and kittens. Remember that the nonfiction section is organized by number from 0 to 999. So now I just have to go to the nonfiction section and look for 636.8, and I should find that book. Now what if I know the specific name of a book that I want, but I just don't know where to find it? For example, I love the book City of Ember, and I think it would be fun to reread it. So if I type Ember into the general keyword search, any book that has the word Ember in the title or listed as a keyword will come up. When I look at the search results, the top listing is the City of Ember, and I can see that we have 2 copies checked in. I can also tell from the search results that this book is located in the fiction section. You probably know that the fiction section is stories from authors' imaginations. The author of the City of Ember is Jean Duproux. Her last name starts with the 3 letters D-U-P, so the next step is easy. I go to the fiction section and I look for the shelf that's labeled with the letter D. From there, it'll be easy to find the book I'm looking for. When I was looking for the City of Ember, it was pretty simple because ember isn't a very common word. But what if I was looking for the book If You Give a Cat a Cupcake? There are lots of books about cats, so I can't just type cat. First I'll type cat, and then I'll type cupcake, the 2 most important words in the title of the book. You can see, when I search for cat and cupcake, the book I'm looking for pops up immediately. These results tell me that the book is located in the E section. E can stand for easy to read or everybody. 1 book is checked in and 1 is lost. But just like in the fiction section, the author's last name tells me where to find the book. The author of this book is Laura Numeroff, and the first 3 letters of her last name are N-U-M. So now I just have to go to the Everybody section, find the shelf labeled with an N, and I'll find my book. Now I want to show you something fancy. If you click the Search tab at the top of the Horizons page, and then you choose Advanced, you can search for more than 1 thing at a time. Your teacher can let you know your Lexile score. This is helpful for finding books that match your reading ability. Imagine that you'd like to search for a book about weather, and your Lexile score is a 570. You would type weather in the subject keyword search box. When it comes to Lexiles, here's what you should pay attention to. If you searched for books that had the Lexile 570, you wouldn't find very many, which is why you need to search for a range. A good idea is to search within about 100 points of your Lexile. So if your Lexile score is 570, maybe you're looking in the 500s and the 600s. To do this, type 5 ? To represent 500s, or 6 ? To represent 600s. Now your search results will show you all books with the subject weather with a Lexile level in the 500s or 600s. The last thing I'd like to show you is how to search for a biography, a book about a real person's life. From the home search page, type in the last name of the person who you'd like to read a book about. I chose Albert Einstein, so I typed Einstein. Your search results will show you books all over the library, but look for a book that's in the biography section. You can tell because the call number starts with the letter B. Unlike nonfiction, fiction, and the everybody section, biographies are organized according to the last name of the person the book is about. So to find a book about Einstein in the biography section, I would find the shelf labeled with an E. Congratulations! Now you know how to use the Horizons card catalog to find a great book for you. Happy reading!